I'm ready to play every day. This is Liam Learns, making a thing for outside. Today we are making a stone. I need a pan. I need my mixer. I need concrete mix. It is heavy. I need water. It is really concrete, Mom.
Yeah, it is.
Hope your mom pour in the concrete mix. Seems like it's just litter. Next, you roll up your sleeves.
Okay.
Add water. Mom, it's so hard to mix.
Do you need my help?
No, I got it. I got it, Mom. It stinks. P.U. Hope your mom pour it into the mold. And then you throw the pan away. Now you flatten it out. Yeah. I was thinking like a ninja. I'll show you how flat and I can do it. Oh, sorry. Because you told me to flatten it. Do you still love me?
Yes, of course.
I want this one to be super cool. Hope your mom make it flat. Great job. And then jiggle it. Wait, half hour. Is it done? Kitty's inside the picture. Inside. Kitty! We are ready. I'm gonna put my hands in here.
Okay, and then push. 3, 2, 1.
Good. I love it. This part is my part. All of them, maybe. And I'm gonna put them right here. I'm doing orange, green, red, blue, black, purple, yellow, purple, orange, yellow. What comes next? Blue. Blue. What comes next? Purple. What comes next? Purple. What comes next? Pink. Yellow. you, kids. Are we gonna put it outside next? Don't forget to press the like video and subscribe. Bye.